Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed my kiddos participating in my video in the last video right above me, talking and teaching you about the hierarchy of life. So it's important to know that when understanding the species names of the trees that you're learning about in this particular laboratory. And so you can see here what I've got outlined is a pretty standard scientific name. Binomial nomenclature is what it's called in the scientific community. You've got the first part of the scientific name of the species, Quercus. Quercus is the oak family, okay, of trees. And Quercus is the genus. So if you remember the domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, and then there's genus and species, okay? Quercus is the genus name. And then alba is what we call the specific epithet. So it's kind of like your first name. So Quercus would be like your last name, and alba would be like your first name. So if you were a species name, my name is Nathan Klein. Alba would be Nathan, and Quercus would be Klein, except for in reverse, of course. So Quercus alba, that's what we call the scientific name for each of the plants, okay? And so that's what these names in parentheses are, okay? So as you're going through your lab, you're going to need to pull that information down into this template that you're going to create for each one of these species, and you're going to create a little booklet out of it. And throughout the semester, we're going to add to this booklet. And so you want to keep that file handy. You're creating a Word document, and you're creating it. Just a word of note that AI is not permitted for this assignment. So don't use AI. I want you to actually go look for this information. AI would make this way too easy for you. And I don't want it to be easy. I want you to learn something instead of just letting AI do the work. I think that's it for this assignment. If you got questions, let me know.